Alright, so we're going to take and replace this whole thing. It's all rusted out, it's all screwed up. See all that? Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and change this whole thing out, build a new one. We'll be using new junction box, new plug, armored plate, shielded wire. We'll use the tap cons to put them up. So we're gonna clean this all up real quick. All right. After we removed all that old pipe, all we got left is the two wires up here. All right, so we're gonna get a junction box ready here. All right, I'm gonna use a push connector here. All right. Okay, so we got the push connector in. All right, so we're gonna mount it up to the wall, get that wire into the junction box. All right. Let's see if we can. All right. Let's get my pen. We mark the place we gotta be at. Let me see. Yeah. What is that behind there? Brick? Oh, that's brick back there. I put it on there. Well, let's see. So we have a total of 8-foot cord here. We'll also mount it to the wood and then put that down. That'd probably be easier to put it into the wood. Why don't we do that, and then we can bring that through. All right, let's do that. Let me get a couple wood screws. All right, so here we go. We've cut all that out. I put a new junction box here, and we're going to connect the knob and tube to this shielded wire. I've already trimmed this up using my cable cutters. Cut the shielded wire to the length I want it, and this you just kind of screw it off and then screw it back up on there. It kind of just screws on there for you there, and then that'll click back into the box I'm gonna mount here. So we're gonna put that down here in a minute. All right, so let's go ahead and tie this up, get that done up there, and then we'll get to putting this box up. All right, so we got the box mounted up, and there's the shielded wire going into the junction box there. We've tied that up. So that's all good to go. All right, so let's get that. Let's get this in here next. All right, so we finished it up, put this in, it's green light, so we're good to go. It's the whole replacement from the beginning, much better. Didn't need that extension way over there because you got a plug over there. So that's all we needed. And that complies with the rules too, to have a GFCI at the down here. So That takes care of that. Nice and neat, like it should be. Looks good.